Remember, the goal is not just to eat honey, but to allow honey to heal and nourish your body in the most efficient way possible every day. First, never use boiling water. Second, limit yourself to 1 teaspoon. Third, don't drink it on an empty stomach. Fourth, avoid soy and onion combinations together. And finally, always use a wooden or ceramic spoon to keep your honey pure and free from metallic oxidation and heavy metal salts that harm vessels. Sickness often comes from the wrong habits, while health comes from the wisdom of doing simple things correctly. Balance is truly everything when it comes to nutrition. I hope these sincere shares will help you and your loved ones protect your precious blood vessels and liver for many years of happy, active life. If you found this information useful, please share this video with your friends and family. Let us spread the knowledge of true health to everyone around. Thank you for watching and for caring about your well-being. May you always find peace, health, and joy in every small habit you choose to follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips tailored for your longevity. We are here to support your journey toward a healthier and much happier lifestyle. Health comes from using natural gifts wisely. Please share this video to protect your loved ones. Wishing you all peace and vibrant health every single day. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we reveal how your morning honey ritual might be a hidden danger to your liver and blood vessels if done incorrectly. Honey is often called liquid gold, but for the elderly, the line between a nutritious supplement and a toxic substance can be very thin and dangerous. Do you often feel unexpectedly tired, bloated, or slightly dizzy after your morning drink? These subtle signs might be your body warning you of underlying damage. 5 silent mistakes in how you consume honey could be slowly destroying your blood vessels and stressing your liver every single day without you even knowing. Many seniors make these errors out of habit, believing they are helping their health while actually causing internal inflammation and long-term metabolic strain and fatigue. In this video, we will break down exactly why these habits are harmful and how you can fix them to truly benefit from honey's natural power. Mistake number 1 is using water that is too hot. Many people believe boiling water is necessary to dissolve the honey effectively and kill any bacteria. When honey is exposed to temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius, its delicate chemical structure breaks down and a harmful compound called HMF begins to form rapidly. HMF is a potential carcinogen that acts like an internal toxin, forcing your liver to work much harder to filter out these unnatural and damaged components. Think of it as internal rust for your organs. This chemical change strips away all the beneficial enzymes and vitamins that make honey a healing food. The ideal temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. It should feel warm to the touch, like a gentle bath, rather than hot enough to burn your tongue. Using warm water preserves the living enzymes that aid digestion and support your immune system, ensuring the honey remains a true medicine for your body. Protecting these nutrients is vital for seniors, as their bodies are more sensitive to chemical toxins and require more support from natural, high-quality food sources. Wait just 5 minutes for your water to cool down. This small window of time is the difference between a healing tonic and a metabolic burden. You will notice the honey dissolves into a beautiful, clear, amber liquid. This is the sign that the nutrients are still intact and ready to work. Your body will recognize this natural form easily. It tastes better, smells more floral, and most importantly, it nurtures your health instead of harming your liver. Now that we have the temperature right, let us look at the second mistake, which is even more common among those trying to boost their health. Mistake number 2 is consuming an excessive amount. Many people think that because honey is natural, they can eat as much as they want every day. Loading your glass with 3 or 4 big spoons of honey creates a massive fructose overload that your aging liver simply cannot process efficiently at once. Excessive fructose is converted directly into fat in the liver. Over time, This leads to fatty liver disease, even if you do not drink any alcohol. An elderly person's liver is like an old vehicle. It functions well but cannot handle a sudden heavy load of sugar without suffering internal mechanical strain. This constant sugar pressure causes your blood vessels to lose their natural elasticity, making them brittle and more prone to damage. And dangerous cardiovascular issues. Moderation is the key to longevity. 1 level teaspoon of honey is more than enough to provide all the health benefits without overloading your metabolic system. By limiting your intake, you allow your liver to process the natural sugars gradually, maintaining a steady energy level throughout the morning without any crashes. Your body will thank you for this balance. It keeps your insulin levels stable and prevents the silent accumulation of fat within your vital internal organs. Always remember that honey is a concentrate of nature. A little goes a long way in supporting your health when used with respect for your limits. The third mistake involves the timing of your drink. Many seniors believe that taking honey on a completely empty stomach is the best way. But drinking concentrated honey water the moment you wake up can actually cause a violent spike in your blood sugar levels that shocks the system. Mistake number 3. Drinking honey on a totally empty stomach. After a night of fasting, your body is extremely sensitive to any form of sugar. This sugar surge is like a tidal wave hitting your blood vessels. It forces the pancreas to pump out massive amounts of insulin to compensate quickly. Soon after the peak, your blood sugar crashes. This roller coaster effect leaves you feeling shaky, fatigued, and hungrier than before you had the honey. You might experience cold sweats or a rapid heartbeat. For seniors with fragile vascular systems, these sudden fluctuations put unnecessary and dangerous stress on the heart. The solution is simple. Eat something light first. A small piece of whole grain bread or a few nuts will provide a buffer for the sugar absorption. Lining your stomach helps the honey enter your bloodstream slowly and steadily. This provides a gentle energy boost that lasts for hours without harming your vessels. This controlled release protects the delicate lining of your arteries from the corrosive effects of high glucose spikes, keeping your cardiovascular system much more resilient. If you must drink it first thing, dilute it significantly. Use a large glass of water for just a tiny drop of honey to minimize the impact. Give your body time to wake up naturally. A gentle introduction to nutrients is always better than a sudden chemical shock to your internal systems. Our fourth mistake is perhaps the most surprising one, as it involves combining honey with other foods that are normally considered very healthy. Mistake number 4, dangerous food combinations. We often assume that mixing 2 healthy ingredients will result in an even healthier meal, but that is false. Never mix honey with tofu or soy milk. This combination is a classic example of food incompatibility that can cause immediate digestive and systemic issues. The organic acids in honey react with the vegetable proteins in soy, creating indigestible precipitates. These clumps can lead to severe bloating, gas, and even constipation. As you can see, the reaction happens almost instantly. In your stomach, this becomes a heavy burden that your liver and kidneys must eventually clear. Your internal organs are forced to work overtime to detoxify these unnatural compounds, leading to fatigue and a gradual weakening of your overall metabolic health. For seniors with slower digestion, this can cause significant discomfort and prevent the absorption of other vital nutrients from your breakfast, leaving you malnourished over time. Be cautious with onions and leeks as well. When combined with honey, they can produce substances that irritate the intestinal lining and cause digestive distress. If you enjoy these foods, simply space them out. Wait at least 2 hours after eating soy or onions before consuming any honey to be safe. Separating these ingredients allows your enzymes to work efficiently on each type of food, ensuring you get the full nutritional benefit without any toxic side effects. Simplicity is the friend of good health. The fewer things you mix with honey, the easier it is for your body to recognize and use it. Finally, we come to the 5th mistake. This one is about the tools you use which can silently change the chemical nature of your honey. Mistake number 5 is using metal spoons. This is a subtle but very real error that many people overlook while preparing their daily morning health drink. Honey is naturally acidic. When this acid comes into contact with metals like iron or aluminum, a chemical reaction occurs that can leach metal ions. These ions create heavy metal salts. Instead of drinking a pure, natural tonic, you are unknowingly introducing small amounts of oxidized metals into your delicate bloodstream. This process of oxidation is like the browning of an apple, but it happens inside your honey jar, slowly, degrading the quality of the entire supply. To preserve the purity of your honey, always use spoons made of wood, ceramic, or high-quality glass. These materials are inert and will not react chemically. Using wood also helps maintain the delicate floral aroma and the complex profile of vitamins and minerals that honey provides for your heart and liver health. When honey remains pure, it acts as a powerful antioxidant. It helps clean your blood vessels and reduces the oxidative stress that contributes to aging and disease. Store your honey in a dark glass jar and away from direct sunlight. This ensures that every drop you consume is as potent and healthy as possible. Small changes in how you handle honey can make a massive difference in your long-term health results. Protection starts with the details of your daily habits. We have covered a lot today. Let us take a moment to summarize these 5 points so you can easily remember them for your next morning.